Kirchoff's laws. To solve complicated electric circuits, scientist Kirchoff gave two laws. Number one, junction rule. According to this rule, algebraic sum of all the currents at any junction of electric network is 0. When we apply this law, current coming towards the junction are taken positive and current going away from the junction are taken negative. I1, I2, I4 are coming toward the junction, so they have been taken positive. I3 and I4 are going away from the junction, so they have been taken negative. Also remember that this law supports law of conservation of energy. Second law is called Kirchoff's mesh rule. According to Kirchoff's mesh rule, algebraic sum of product of current and corresponding resistance in a closed mesh equals to the sum of EMF in that mesh. That is, summation IR is equal to summation E. Students, when we apply this law, the EMF is taken negative if inside the cell we are moving from plus to minus, otherwise positive. Similarly, through resistance, if we move in the direction of current, then product of I and R is taken positive, and if we move opposite to direction of current, then product of I and R is taken negative. In this example, I am going to apply mesh rule in mesh ABEFA. We are moving in anticlockwise direction. So when we shall go through E2, we shall move from plus to minus. That's why E2 has been taken what? Negative. Now through R2, we are moving towards right side. Current is going towards left side. That's why I2 R2 is also taken negative. Now in resistance R1, I1 and R1 both are in the same direction. So I1 R1 product is taken positive, and inside the cell E1 we are going from negative to positive. That's why E1 is taken positive. Similarly, we have applied mesh rule in mesh BCDEF. Thus, we have obtained two equations. By solving these two equations, we can calculate the value of I1 and I2.